to assist in the broadcast of an Amber Alert. An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. Incident summary. Suspect shot and killed brother of church. Fled with a child in emergency Ford F-150 with extensive front end damage. Victims, case report. A black male aged 2 years. He has brown eyes and black hair and is 3 feet tall, weighing 40 pounds. Suspects, Christopher Gordon. A black male aged 32 years old. He has brown eyes and black hair. He is 5 feet 5 inches and weighs 140 pounds. Last seen, unknown clothing, and was in possession of handgun. If you have any information regarding this alert, please contact the Kentucky State Police. You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KZZ 48, Owentown, Kentucky, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Now